Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot Sales Hub for email tracking setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hubspot.com and press enter. Wait for the HubSpot homepage to load completely. Look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Then, input your password in the second field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the box next to Remember Me. Once you've entered your credentials, click. After logging in, you will be taken to the HubSpot dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the Sales option and click on it. From the Sales menu, select Email Tracking. You may be prompted to install a browser extension for email tracking. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the required extension. After installation, return to the email tracking settings. Review the setup options to ensure everything is configured correctly. If necessary, customize the email tracking preferences according to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the settings, make sure to save any changes you've made. Finally, test the email tracking by sending a sample email to verify that it is working properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.